To send money from India to New Zealand, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must choose a suitable money transfer method. There are several options available, including online money transfer services, banks, and money transfer agents. Online money transfer services such as TransferWise, Z Money Transfer, and PayPal are popular choices due to their competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees. Once you have selected a money transfer method, you need to create an account. This typically involves providing personal and identification details, such as your name, address, and passport number. You will also need to verify your account, which may involve uploading identification documents or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Next, you need to add the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account details. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's details are accurate to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. You should also check the exchange rate and transfer fee before initiating the transfer. After verifying the details, you can initiate the transfer by entering the amount you wish to send and confirming the transaction. The transfer time varies depending on the method you choose, but most online money transfer services offer fast and secure transfers that can be completed within a few hours. It is crucial to compare the exchange rates and transfer fees of different money transfer services to find the best option for your needs. You should also consider the security and reliability of the service, as well as any additional features they may offer, such as tracking and customer support. In addition to online money transfer services, you can also use banks to send money from India to New Zealand. However, bank transfers often involve higher fees and less competitive exchange rates. Money transfer agents, such as Western Union and MoneyGram, are another option, but they may also charge higher fees and have less competitive exchange rates. To avoid any issues with the transfer, you should ensure that you comply with the regulations and laws of both India and New Zealand. This includes obtaining any necessary permits or approvals and reporting the transfer to the relevant authorities. In conclusion, sending money from India to New Zealand involves choosing a suitable money transfer method, creating an account, adding the recipient's details, initiating the transfer, and comparing the exchange rates and transfer fees of different services. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a fast, secure, and cost-effective transfer.